Hello friends, follow the steps to fix these errors. Installing December 2025 security update on Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. The first method is change advanced power options. Click on search, type control, click on control panel. For view by, click on category and select large icons. Click on power options. For the selected power plan, click on change plan settings. Click on change advanced power settings. For hard disk, for turn off hard disk after, set never for both on battery and plugged in. Go to sleep and expand it. Expand sleep after. Click on this option and minimize it to never. For on battery and also for plugged in. For hibernate, also select never. And for plugged in, once these settings are changed, click on apply. Click on OK. Close the control panel and try to install the update. If KB5072033 is downloaded, restart your computer and try to install the update. If the issue still persists, reset Windows Update components. Click on Start, click on Settings, go to Windows Update and turn off Get the latest update as soon as they are available. Close the settings window. Now open Services. Type Services in the search. Click on Services. Go down in the list. Right click on Windows Update. Select Properties. For a startup type, click on the drop down and select Disabled. Click on Apply. Click on Stop here. Click on OK. Close the Services window. Then open File Explorer. This PC. C drive. Go to the Windows directory. Find Software Distribution in the folders list. This one. And delete this folder. Close the File Explorer and restart your computer. Then check for updates and try to install it. Click on Start, go to Settings, go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Then again open Services window, click on Search, type Services, click on Services, scroll down, right click on Windows Update, select Properties. For startup type, change it to Automatic and click on Apply. Go to the App Readiness service, right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Start, click on Apply, click on OK. Then close the services window and try to install the security update. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If any error still appears, then run disk check command. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, type chkdsk space /f space /r. Press enter. chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Type Y and press enter. Then close the command prompt and restart your computer. During restarting, the disks will be checked thoroughly and repaired. Then try installing the security update. The next method is fix problems using Windows Update. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on Recovery or Fix problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Here click on OK. After clicking on OK, the system will start downloading Windows 11 25H2 repair version. Once the downloading is completed, restart your computer to install it. After then, check for updates and try to install KB5072033. If any of the methods doesn't work, then perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, download Windows 11. Go down to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on this drop down and select this option, Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices, if your device is x64 based. If your device is ARM64 based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on Confirm, select the product language, click on Start, go to Settings, select Time and Language. Here is your product language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and select the same language here. Click on Choose one and select the language. Then click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, go to the download location. Right click on the ISO file and select Mount. On this security warning pop-up, click on Open. On the setup.exe file, right click and select Open. On this window, uncheck this box. After checking this box, the process will take much more time, so uncheck it and click on Next. On this window, which says Applicable Notices and License Terms, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Your computer will restart a few times and Windows 11 will be installed, including the security update KB5072033. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.